Scuttle's Cove Tram Stop. You should disembark here for Scuttle's Cove Children's Program Area, Monster Point Famous Whale Skeleton Dig, Castaway Ray's Stingray Adventure, Watercraft Rental, Gills, Fins and Boats Snorkel Rental, Sheet Cells, Seashells, and everything else for shopping. After Scuttle's Cove, this tram will be continuing on to our next stop, Pelican Point. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 and 2 o'clock at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies Stew. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. Have a great day, and remember to listen for the ship's whistle. It will signal the final tram. See you later, and have fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hands. Lower your heads and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day. We are now approaching Scuttle's Cove Tram Stop. For those of you going on to Pelican Point or Serenity Bay, please stay on board. Once again, I repeat, for those of you going on to Pelican Point Tram Stop or Serenity Bay, please stay on board. Thank you.
Do we get off here the next one?
That's the store. Are you coming up here? No, thank you.
Castaways, we on the move again. Welcome to our wonderful, magical island. We are now headed to Pelican Point. Now please be sure to bring your head way down as you step aboard and slide all the way across the seat. Be sure your little ones are seated to the inside of the car and only let children younger than 3 sit in your lap. Please remember, stay in your seat anytime the tram is moving and no smoking, please.
All clear. Here we go.
In a few minutes, we'll be arriving at our final destination, right in the heart of paradise, Pelican Point Tram Stop. Here you will find Family Beach and the Snorkeling Lagoon, Heads Up Bar and Sand Bar, Pelican Plunge and exciting water slides, Spring Leap, a freshwater play area, flippers and floats for snorkel and float rental, bicycle rental to explore our bike trails and observation tower. In the shade games, hair braiding, Bahamian retail for local arts and crafts, by the seashore for shopping, hideout teams only, and beach cabanas number 1 through 17. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 and 2 o'clock at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies Stew. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. For guest fishing to continue to Serenity Bay, please wait at Pelican Point Tram Stop. The tram to Serenity Bay will be arriving shortly. Now please remain seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. Have a great day, and remember to listen for the ship's whistle. It will signal the final tram. See you later, and have lots of fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated till the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hands. Lower your heads and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day. We are now approaching Pelican Point tram stop. For those of you going on to Serenity Bay, please get off and wait at this tram stop. The next tram to Serenity Bay should be along shortly. Once again, I repeat, if you're going on to Serenity Bay, please get off and wait at this tram stop. The next tram to Serenity Bay should be along shortly. Thank you.